Ever wondered how much shopping power you really have with Klarna? First, make sure you have the Klarna app downloaded and you're logged into your account. Then, navigate to the My Klarna tab, usually found at the bottom of your screen. It's your personal Klarna command center. Once you're there, look for a section labeled Spending Power or something similar. Tap on that, and you'll find a clear snapshot of your available funds. This screen will display your total purchase power, which is the maximum amount you can spend using Klarna right now. Keep in mind, this amount can fluctuate based on your payment history and other factors. Scroll down to see a more detailed breakdown, which may include any outstanding balances you have, affecting the total amount you can spend. Now that you know your limit, shop with confidence. When you're ready to make a purchase on a participating website, simply choose Klarna at checkout. You'll then be presented with various payment options, like pay in full or monthly financing, letting you spread the cost of your purchase. Remember, to manage your purchases and payment schedule, head back to the Payments tab in the My Klarna section. And that's it. You're now a Klarna Spending Power Pro, enjoying flexible payments with ease.